I don't even know what to say. Like, I honestly don't even know what to say. What is up, guys? Arianna here, back with another video. My voice is kind of gone today for some reason. I don't know why. We'll just excuse that. So let's talk eyebrows. I grew up so hairy. I had a unibrow and I started getting my eyebrows waxed like super young. I think the first time I got my eyebrows waxed, I was in the 6th grade. So I've been getting my eyebrows waxed for a really long time, and they've kind of thinned out since I've started. I don't have a unibrow anymore. I barely have to pluck hair anymore, which is great, but it's not so great for my brows because, you know, back in the day, thin brows were in. They're not really in anymore, and I can't get back to my fullness. Or so I thought. Recently, I went to an event that Sunday Morning View threw with Rose Skincare, and the CEO, the founder of the company, she had the most amazing brows. So when my friends and I asked her, girl, what do you do? She said that she gets her brows laminated. When she said this, I realized, wait a minute, I've heard of this before. It turns out that a girl that I follow named Danny Rios, she actually has her own brow lamination kits that she sells on her blog. And I've been seeing her stories and things like that of the before and afters of the eyebrows, and it looks incredible, but it wasn't until I put 2 and 2 together, 2 and 2, that I realized it was the brow lamination kit, and seeing it in person on someone, I was like, I'm getting it. So I got home, I ordered it, and my kit has officially come in the mail. So let's see if I can use this DIY brow lamination kit to make my brows look fuller, look voluptuous, and get back to hairy old me. I miss it in some areas only. Pretty much just my eyebrows. Mustache, go away. Okay, first off, the packaging is so cute. Look at this. Look. This is too cute. And by the way, this video is not sponsored. I ordered this kit myself. I really wanted to try it out. So step 1, dip the applicator brush into the straightening cream. Grab enough product to cover all hairs on your brow. Brush brows in an upward position or however you would like your brows to lay. Once done brushing the brows, apply a smoothing paper on the brows and press down gently so the paper covers all the hairs on the brows. Let it sit for 6 to 10 minutes depending on the thickness of your brows. Do not let it sit longer than 13 minutes. Alright, BRB. Okay, y'all, it's been 8 minutes. I washed it off, and I also cleaned off the spoolie. You can already tell a difference, like, in how long the hairs are and how they're like easy to just maneuver. I'm kind of shook. Incredible. Anyway, let's go to step 2. Okay, step 2 says clean the brows completely and repeat process with neutralizing cream. This side earlier was harder to like spoolie through because it was just tangled and stuff, and now it's going up with ease. Like, that's crazy. Flip the side of the smoothing paper and apply it on brows. I kind of threw away my other papers, so we'll just use new ones. Okay, y'all, I did it. I rinsed and washed off the cream, and look at my brows, y'all. They're actually like doing what I want them to do. Usually they don't go up this high. Like, I can actually shape them the way I want. Wow, okay, anyway, there's one more step that we have to do, and that is the oil. So this is going to make my brows all nourished and good and just replenishing them since they did just get processed. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on my spoolie, which I also washed off, and then put it on my brow hairs. This oil reminds me of the oil that they put on after you get a wax. Y'all, like, this is nothing on my brows and they look so full. Like, look at them. They're literally doing exactly what I want them to do. I could shape them any way I want. I'm sorry, y'all, I'm playing with my eyebrows right now instead of finishing this video. This is a game changer. They look feathery. Oh my goodness. Like, what the heck? This is, y'all, I could go on and on, so let me go and get cutified and get my eyebrows, you know, filled in, and I'll be back. Wow. Okay, y'all, I'm back. I put my face on. I put too much lip gloss on too, so I keep spitting the gloss all over the place. So as you can see, my brows look thick and full and beautiful. Y'all, I am shook. I barely filled in my brows. Like, I literally barely did it. I did a line at the bottom and on the side, and then I kind of like faded it out, and then I did a couple strokes like to fill in those bald looking areas, and I used a little gel to kind of like seal in the shape that I wanted. But that is it, y'all. I don't even know what to say. Like, I honestly don't even know what to say. I've never ordered a product that I've been so excited with. Like, this is a game changer. So I guess that settles it. Brow lamination is the new thing. I'm hopping on board. I'm getting on this bandwagon. It's not even a bandwagon because I actually tried it for myself and I like it. But y'all, I'll put the link to the kit down in the description box below. Tell her Arianna sent you. And y'all, oh, I'm about to be real cute this holiday season. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for bearing with me while I went a little MIA for a couple of months. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already and turn those post notifications on. Turn them on. I will see you guys in my next video, and I promise it won't be 2 more months. Love you guys so much. Bye! So drink it up.